Start.
This is a rectangular water bath which is digitally controlled. Here we have the main current means 220 volt power on off is there. This one is on off. This is load indicator means red will start when the heating is going on. We have already set it on 30 degree. It is now 28 degree inside. Chamber is stainless steel. The lid is there. It is here. The water should always be above this heater. This is thermostat control. Here water should be almost this side. I am just putting a small. When you have to use it, keep it on this collar up to maybe about half inch. Here we can put these beakers. All different kind of beakers can be put. These are the spaces. We can put the beaker here. When the rings are there, all different kinds of rings are available. You can put the test tube, bigger one, and the whole bigger test tube beakers. You can put the big one here. We can do this. And then if I tell you the setting, it should always be, the water should always be above the heater. That's the most important thing. Here we have to just set it. Here we can increase the, let us see, I can make it 40 degree and then set it back. It is very easy. Now inside is 28 degree. The set desired temperature is 40. When it is close to that, it will switch on and off automatically. Switching on and off is indicated here also. It is all indicated with the load indication also. If you put it on up to, it can be used up to 80-90 degree, which is the highest temperature of the water is 900 degree. So it should not be used more than 90 or 95. Always after use of about 50 hours, the water should be clean. Water should be deionized most of the time, or clean water, not the hard water. Otherwise silt will be there. You have to clean it thoroughly. The website is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 999-2222-049. Another is 94160-20018. We have got all kind of digital controlled or without digital water baths are also there. Aluminium chamber. Most of the nowadays this is a single piece inside, no joint, no leakage. This is stainless steel. Outside also stainless steel is also available. We have got the 6, 4 or 12 chamber. These holes are there available with us. Automatic, very easy to set, setting temperature, easy to use. Subscribe the channel, like the videos, subscribe the videos. Thank you very much.